So, pupunta kami ngayon sa Barodra and kasama natin si Doc Milan. Doc Milan! So, for today, susunduin natin si Janu kasi wala na siyang pasok bukas and sa mga susunod na araw is merong mga holidays yata sa school nila. So, because of that, magbabakasyon siya sa bahay namin for like 3-4 days. So, napakalakas kasi ng ulan ngayon. Papakita ko sa inyo. Sobrang lakas ng ulan and ayaw namin siya na sumakay ng bus. No, Milan? We don't want Janu to ride the bus in this very rainy season.
We don't know that
what will happen.
Be safe or not.
And then, she will be very wet. So, we decided that we'll be picking up Janu. It's around 1:30 and then the class will be finished around 4 o'clock if I'm not mistaken. So, by that time, we will be reaching there already and we will try to finish some work. So, ayun, paalis na kami and kita-kita tayo mamaya. Ayan guys, so walang katao-tao dito sa ano namin, sa daanan, no? Kung meron man, mga trucks lang. Pero kung nakikita nyo, very clear kasi nga maulan and hindi masyadong lumalabas yung mga tao kapag maulan dito. Kasi there's a lot of slip, no, Milan?
Yes.
Accidents and all because of the weather. Tingnan nyo yung mga baka, oh. So much. Look, Milan. Napakadami. Because it's raining, that's why they are removing them.
No.
Then,
They are going to eat.
they are going to eat now.
Yes.
But in the city, where you can possibly feed them,
There is some area designated as goucher.
means
That means it's reserved for
only feeding animals.
only feeding animals.
So that means that construction, they did not construct anything in that
they don't construct
place.
anything on that place. They just let the grass grow.
And then
So
they will feed it to
Yes,
animals.
animals can feed there.
Okay, so ganun pala guys. So as you can see guys, it's not raining anymore. Look, oh, wala nang gaanong patak-patak dito sa salamin. So malapit na kami sa bahay ni Janu. How many kilometers from Janu's house? 30 kilometers still guys. So ayan, 2:26 na. Milan, why so many people are walking? Milan?
Maybe some religious thing.
Look guys, ang daming naglalakad, oh. Tapos meron silang parang meron silang parang nakakariton, tapos tinatakpan nila. I don't know what is it, Milan. What is that thing covered? It's Ganapati or what? Oh,
Mataji.
Mataji. Okay. Meron silang mga mga stunting ganon. That's for what? We've seen a lot of people doing that, guys. For the past 1 hour. So many people are walking in this road and then they are carrying meron silang kine-carry na mga kari-kariton and meron silang bandana sa ulo. Ayun pa, marami pa doon sa gilid, like that one. Guys, ito yung sinasabi ni Milan kung saan pinapakain nila yung mga cows. So, yung area na yan is hindi siya for under construction. Hindi siya binibigyan ng mga buildings. Para kahit pa paano yung mga cows nila is meron pang makain. So, ganyan. Diyan nila pinapakain. So, yung mga nakikita natin ng mga cows, ayan yung mga grass na kinakain nila. Nilulublob nila sa baba. And nilalagay sa baba, pinapakain sa baba.
No one owns that land. It's government's land. But they don't construct anything there.
Naman, no? Kapag nilagyan natin ng napakaraming buildings yung isang city, paano nga naman mabubuhay yung mga animals? Paano sila kakain kung walang mga damo-damo? So, wala pa lang nagmamayari ng mga lupain na yun. Pero, dahil nga maraming tumutubo mga damo, kaya dun sila pinapakain. Tignan nyo, napakaraming mga cows, oh. Kita nyo? Kalat-kalat sa daan. Guys, nakarating na kami dito sa bahay ni Janu and ito yung society nila. So, pipikapin lang natin siya dito. Pagkatapos, meron lang tayong tatapusin. And baka mag-shopping tayo ng mga groceries. So, yan. Hindi na masyadong malakas yung ulan. So, ayan guys. Kakatapos lang namin na pumunta dun sa bahay ng kaibigan namin. And minute sila. And look who's here! Janu! So, you're done with your class? Yes. You're having vacation for how many days?
It's not vacation.
When you will have Raja.
Yes.
Nag-absent pala. Absent. How many days?
Until Wednesday.
So, it will be around 3-4 days, guys, of
4 days.
absent. And what can you say about that, Milan? Your sister is not studying and doing absent.
Only one
Waste
day
of
leave.
money.
Waste of money?
I took only one day leave. It's
Ah.
Ganesh Chaturthi on Tuesday.
Okay, guys. She have an excuse. There's an incoming holiday, so it's only one day absent. So, ayun. Now, we'll be going for shopping. We'll be buying some groceries for the house. And they will not allow me to shoot there. So, I'll just show you what we bought there. And where we'll be doing grocery shopping. So, I'll see you later. So, we'll be buying here, guys, sa D-Mart. Medyo maliit lang yung D-Mart nila dito. Pero pwede na. Marami ka naman. Mag-shopping, guys. Nakapag-parking na kami. So, wala ka dapat kailangan dalhin na bag. So, wala kaming dala-dala. Nakapamili na kami. And the problem... And guys, ito yung mga pinamili natin. And meron tayong daladalang mga lalagyanan nito. Kasi hindi sila nagbibigay ng bag. So, ilalagay na natin dyan sa loob. There's bag, Jano, I think. We bought that.
All this thing.
Ayan guys, nakapag-shopping na kami and nakapamili na kami ng mga groceries. So ngayon is maghahanap tayo ng makakain. Jano, where do you want to go?
McD.
So McD. Milan, are you okay with it?
Yes.
So ayan guys,
You
we'll
and I
be...
want to eat it, Mac.
You want to eat also McD? So we'll be looking for some McDonald's branch and then we'll be eating there and then we'll just buy something for Papa and Mommy. So we'll see you there. Let's go. Ayan guys, nandito kami ngayon sa McDonald's to grab some dinner. So ang lakas ng ulan. Tsala. Pakalakas ng ulan. Hindi nakapagluto si Mommy sa bahay and hindi na namin siya pinagluto. Kaya...
Raining.
Wow, very sweet. So, ayun, kain tayo, guys. Let's go. Grabe. Walang tao. Since maulan, walang ganang tao. Let's go. Walang masyadong tao ngayon, guys, since maulan sa labas. No, Jano? There's not too much people right now because it's raining. So, ayan kung nakikita nyo, halos kakaunti lang yung family na kumakain dito. Ayan, guys, kaninang 1:30 na umalis nga kami ng bahay. And siguro, what time is it, Jano? 8 o'clock. So around 8 o'clock kami nakabalik dito sa lugar namin. So kakain lang kami, uuwi sa bahay. Tapos, nag-take out lang namin si father-in-law. Kukunin namin siya maya-maya.
This is... आता गोगम दिला का मन लाइक तो ये चॉकलेट लाडू मंगायो मग आता गोगम
And this one is so very tasty. Janu is saying it's not good.
तो 30 रुपया जोड़ा है
મને લાગે મેં પણ મંગાવ્યું મને નતું પડ્યું.
Try it na.
जो खबर है बताए बता तर मैंने कहते मंगायो
Let me taste. How was it? Tignan natin kung pangit talaga yung lasa gaya na sinasabi ni Janu. This is blue, what is it? Berry. Berry
Berry
cooler.
ice.
Berry ice.
punch
Berry punch.
3.9 for one drink.
It's actually good. Have
જો
a
છે
check.
ને
but when I taste it
क्या
it wasn't
try?
that good no
Not good daw.
બ્લુબેરી ટ્રાય કરીને જાણો.
nah I'm allergic to blueberries
Guys, parang batang maliit si Milan. Parang naglilihi sa blueberry cheesecake. Sige, kainin mo na. You like this much, no? You like this so much. And this one have allergic reaction. Cannot eat it anymore. You like it? Halo siya na, but it's very expensive. So, ayun guys, maling yung mga order namin. Kain tayo. Kakaiba yung sa akin. Mine is beautifully packed as compared to yours. Look. Yours looks plain. Mine looks very beautiful.
Yours is little bit costlier.
Ew? Because this is full of cheese, that's why?
Some salt is
Let's see.
और पेरी पेरी खाते
Let's see what is inside of this burger, guys. What do you call this one, Jana? Cheese
lava
cheese lava.
અરે મમ્મી હારું
So
પેલું
this is cabbage. This one is potato. I cannot see any cheese though. This is cheese, I think. Where's the cheese?
in peti
Ah, okay. In patty, there's a lot of cheese. That's why I was wondering. So, ayan guys, kain tayo. Doc Milan yung sasakyan para hindi nga daw kami mabasa sa ulan. Pero tignan nyo naman, na-corner siya. Look, he's been cornered by those people. He got wet. So, ayan.